Vaseline Intensive Care Body Lotion for Dry Skin Cocoa Radiant are offered in a wide variety, each with unique features, benefits, and prices. I did a massive amount of research, reviewed a ton of reviews, and pad up a list of the best Vaseline Intensive Care from trustworthy brands to assist you in making a decision. It's never simple to find the best body lotions. There are simply too many things to consider, which makes it daunting and confusing. This may cause you to make costly blunders about your finances as well as the things you purchase. The good news is that this post includes some excellent resources to guide you in your search for the top body lotions. This post will discuss the top 10 body lotions that we have discovered after extensive study, along with what makes them unique. Since we have thoroughly evaluated the top 10 goods, we as specialists can reassure you that they are excellent. Whether you want to learn more about an old product or are looking for a new body lotion, our frank assessment will be very helpful. We spent a lot of time compiling a thorough comparison of these body lotions. Vaseline. Each product's design and manufacture were carefully reviewed. We categorized the consideration elements in our investigation into different groups. We used our sharp eyes and broad general knowledge to assess each body lotion's Vaseline component. We gained valuable knowledge from our investigation about the general functionality and user-friendliness, as well as some strong opinions. We separated our evaluation into numerous categories, such as Vaseline Intensive Care Essential Healing Body Lotion, Moisturized Dry Skin, Proven Effective Healing Skin Care, Noticeably Healthier Looking Skin, 20.3 ounces Pump Bottle Intensive Care, to discover which came out on top. Liquid Essential Healing Body Lotion. This excellent moisturizer, which contains pure oat extract and Vaseline jelly microdroplets, keeps dry skin repaired for 3 weeks. Comfortable relief. As soon as you apply Vaseline Intensive Care Essential Healing Body Lotion to dull, dry, irritated, or sensitive skin, it feels soft and silky, has a bright glow, and starts to heal. Skin is left better and visibly healthier. For stronger, significantly healthier skin, apply Intensive Care Essential Healing Body Lotion on dry, rough skin every day. You may rapidly put on clothing following application thanks to the formula's quick absorption. Jelly and microdroplets from Vaseline. Vaseline Healing Jelly is a non-comedogenic, hypoallergenic product that dermatologists advise using on extremely dry, dull, sensitive skin. Protects and moisturizes skin. Pump bottle. Simply press the hygienic pump on top of the bottle to conveniently and easily pour the ideal amount of this rich and creamy moisturizing body lotion. Includes pure almond oil, vitamin E, and Vaseline Healing Jelly are used in the formulation of Vaseline Intensive Care Almond Smooth Body Lotion to provide intense moisturization for dry hands and skin. No glue feel. Our body lotion absorbs quickly for deep hydration that leaves no residue. For hyaluronic skin, Vaseline Healing Jelly microdroplets are present in this body lotion to help retain moisture. Hydrate dry skin. For a natural glow, use Vaseline Intensive Care Almond Smooth Hand and Body Lotion. With just one application, this lotion provides intense hydration for skin that looks notably healthier. Thank
you for watching this video. If you found this video helpful, please hit the subscribe button, press the bell icon, and comment below. Check out the description to find the product link.